Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today we would be looking at AXIE Infinity or AXS, currently ranked at 47 with a market cap of about $855 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $36 million. And we are seeing some very interesting price action on the chart, which we would be exploring. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So we are on the chart right here for AXS versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we love to do, right, is to draw all our key levels, because we said prices move from one key level to another, right? From one key level to another, and you can see AXS has been respecting every key level we have here. Currently, what we are seeing is that we have this 200 EMA, which we love to use. Helps us to show us what the general trend of the market is, whether we're trending downwards or trending upwards. And basically, as you can see right here, AXS has been trending down right down from March right down to June, and we began to see push to the upside right here for AXS. But we have basically seen this range. We have been ranging right here from the $6.81 level right down to the $5.52 level. So basically, this has just been a build of momentum right here and a fight with the 200 EMA right here for AXS. Currently, we have broken this support right here, right? Turn resistance, as you can see, broke the support, came, retested as resistance, and we probably could see that push to the bottom of the range right there at the $5.5 level. All right, so if we look at our indicators right here, as you can see, our indicators are rings. This is our cloud indicator. Our rings are shrinking, right? So that means we probably would see more sideways action and not necessarily a dump. As you can see also, right, our ring is pointing downwards. Probably we're having shrinking rings. That means we have the high probability to see this range continue over the past few days. Even though on the volume profile right here, which we are seeing huge buyers coming in. The green stands for strong buys, the red weak buys, the red strong sells, and the yellow weak buy. So currently we are seeing strong buyers at the moment, right? So we probably could see more sideways action right here, before sort of the cloud indicator is showing us that there's not a lot of momentum in the market right now for AXS, right? So we are still struggling with this 200 EMA. On the ideal scenario, we want to see prices push above this 200 EMA, and that is when we can be very bullish on AXS. So basically, that's the analysis for AXS for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.